Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem Dragon City codes. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is to make sure we're logged into our Dragon City game. Once we've done that, we want to open up a web browser. And now head on over to Google and type in Dragon City codes. Then we'll be taken to Google search results, and we can check out this site here, dragoncitygame.com. This is the official website for Dragon City, so go ahead and click into here. And if you notice that at the top, depending when you're looking at it, they've got an AI overview that's going to have the most relevant or up-to-date Dragon City code. So here's one here, Illusion. So we can copy this code and use that. And this one was used to redeem a free gift in the redeem tab of the official store. So yeah, in saying that, let's go to dragoncitygame.com. Now from here, we need to click on that login and redeem, but because we're already logged in, it's just going to redirect us back here and then put in that code Illusion and then hit enter to, and now that code, if it is working, it's going to appear in your newsfeed inside your Dragon City game. So depending on you're watching this, these gift codes might change. So yeah, just check out different codes and they do expire as well.